Good
Today,
morning, sir.
yeah.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Today we are going to start a new chapter in class 11 mathematics. So kindly pay attention from the beginning. Right. Before starting the chapter, so most of you would have know how to use a debit card, ATM card, right? You know how to use a debit card. Like most of you know, like how to insert a debit card in ATM machine and how to get the cash out of it, right? So how many digits passcode is there for a debit card? Irrespective of banks, like every bank will have their own system, but like the number of digits for the passcode for the debit card is same, right? How many digits are there? When you insert a debit card, like it will be directly asking to enter the passcode, right? How many digits are there for a debit card, for any debit card?
4 digits, sir.
Four.
Yeah, there are 4 digits, right? 4 different digits, right? Suppose consider if we have 4 digits, right? Suppose consider the first digit is 1. Okay, for example, we'll have a passcode as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the right password, for example. Okay, this is the right passcode, right? When you insert the card and like it will be asking to enter the code. So you'll be entering 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the cash away, right? Suppose consider this is the right passcode and you know the first digit is 1 and you forget the second, third and fourth. Suppose consider you forget the second, third and fourth. So how many combinations you have to try? Tell me. You know the numbers, like even though we have infinite numbers in mathematics, we have infinite and uncountable infinite numbers in mathematics, still we know there are only 10 digits numbers are there. Only with that like we are like formulating many numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Only there are these 10 digits are there. The remaining all the numbers are actually the combination of these numbers, right? Okay, say for example, I will simplify the question. You forget the last digit. So how many combinations you have to try? Tell me.
10.
10. 10.
10 different combinations you have to try. Am I right? 10 different. So first you'll try type 1, 2, 3. It's the correct first 3 digit. The last digit you forget. So you'll be trying 1. It may show wrong. Then you'll try 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, 2. So 10 combinations you have to try. If you forget the last. This is a combination. Suppose consider you forget the last 2 digits, then how many combinations you have to try? Last 2 digits. How many ways you'll be entering the number? Last 2 digits you forgot.
100, sir.
Exactly. So like there will be 10 here and there will be 10 more digits here. 10 into 10, it will be 100. So 100 different combinations, am I right?
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 99. So 99 numbers from 1 to 0. So 1 will be entering as 0, 1. 2 will be entering as 0, 2. 3 will be entering as 0, 3. So 1 to 99. And there will be one more combination called 00, right? Chances are also there. 1 to 00. So totally 100 combinations are there. So 100 different ways, not combination, 100 different ways you are trying. Am I right? Okay, right. Suppose consider you forget the last 3 digit numbers. Then how many ways you have to try it out?
1,000, sir.
1000.
So 10 here, 10 here, 10. So totally 1,000 ways are there. So like you have to try with like 1,000 different ways to get the correct one. So they have given only the 3 times, like more than 3 it will be locked. Okay, this is for an example. So you have to try 1,000 way, and out of which one will be correct. This is a 1,000 way. Right? Okay. So keep this example in mind. So I'll go with one more example before introducing the topic. See, consider I have three different colors: green, blue, and red. Green, blue, and red. Now tell me how many different way you can arrange this one. Suppose consider you have green ball, red ball, and blue ball. So these are three balls I given. I'm asking you to arrange in a different way. How many different way you can have? What is the total number of ways you can able to arrange it? Tell me. Green, blue, red. This is our first combination. You can arrange green ball first, blue ball second, and red ball third. This is one combination. One arrangement. Second, you can rearrange, right? So you can bring red here, blue there. You can bring green to the last. Like that. How many arrangements are possible? What are the total number of arrangements? You can do it. So let us try, like I want, I want to be too interactive. Whether it is right or wrong, just try to answer it. Okay. Yeah, tell me, Pa.
9. Sir, 9.
10 chances are there, sir.
Okay. Shall we try realistic? Any other answers you have? Girls side? Simple question, right? So green, blue, red, three colors are there. You have to still how many ways you can arrange it. Okay. Let me see here.
Sir, 3.
Let's have green constant in the first side. Green, blue, red. Right? It's the first arrangement. Keep green here itself. Okay. So red second, blue third. Second combination. Is that right? First arrangement, green, blue, red, green, red, blue. Okay. Now bring blue first. Blue first. Blue. Then green and red are there. Blue, green, red, blue, red,
green.
So third combination, fourth way of arrangement. So I have arranged green first, blue first, now red. Red, if I take red, blue and green are remaining. So green, blue, red, blue, green. Fifth way of arrangement, sixth way of arrangement. Tell me the remaining three of them because I got the answer as 9. Not a mistake. Don't think the 9 is a mistake. Not a problem. You tried very good. So out of 100 students, only 2 students have answered. Tell me what are the remaining 3 ways. So I have taken green. Since you have 2 different colors, so I have taken green first in 2 arrangements. So blue, green, blue, red, red, blue. Then blue first, green, red, red, green. Red first, green, blue, blue, green. That's it. So now tell me how many combinations are there. Still, is it like I left any combinations here? I left any number of ways here. No, green, blue, and red. So 90 plus students are here and I'm able to hear only 1 or 2 voices.
Sir, only 6 combinations is possible.
Only 6 combinations are possible. Okay, right? So total number of ways we can arrange green color, blue color, and red color is 6. That's it. Right? So you have arranged here, right? Green, blue, red, blue, blue, green, red, blue, red, green, blue, red, blue, green. Right? These arrangements, so 6 arrangements are possible, right? The 6 arrangements is called as permutations. It is called permutation. So number of permutations 6, and these are all called permutations. Right? What are the colors you have used here actually? Green, blue, red.
Green,
See,
blue, red.
yeah.
Praise
In all the 6 ways, only green, blue, and red are used. Am I right? Is it like any other color we have used? In all the 6.
No, sir.
Number of.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now tell me how many combinations are there?
3.
Think over and tell me.
Sir, 6.
Think over and tell me. See, 6 is permutation. 6 is permutation. green, blue, red. One way of arranging. Green, red, blue. Another way of arranging. Blue, green, red. Third way of arrangement. So like that, 6 different ways. So this kind of arrangements is called permutation. All possible ways. We will write all the possible ways. That is called permutation. Combination means, see, what are the colors you use? Green, blue, red. See the first one? The same three color. Second combination also same 3 color. Third also, fourth, 5, 6. All the 6 permutation have the same combination or different combination. Sixth permutation la yellow.
Same combination.
Yeah, same. So number of combination is 1. This is what we call it as combination. Suppose consider first one has green, blue, red. Second has green, blue, yellow. You got it? Then we can go with 2 different combinations because all the permutation have same combination. Second arrangement alone have a different combination when compared to others. So we can say it as 2 combinations. Here we have used only green, blue, and red. So all the permutation has the same combination. So therefore only one combination. All the combination has green, blue, red. See, first combination, it has green, blue, red. Second also green, blue, red. Third, green, blue, red. Third, green, blue, red. All the combinations are same. So the number of combination here is, in this example, is 1. And the number of permutation is 6. This is what we call it as permutation and combination. Right? So what we are going to learn in chapter 7 is permutations and combinations. It's a property based on this one. So for the smaller number, it is easy to find. What about for the bigger numbers? So how to find it easily? So arranging blue, green, red, it is, like if I ask you to arrange 10 different colors with many more combinations, and that will be hectic, right? So how to do it easily? Is there any simplest way, or do we have any other formula? That is what we are going to learn in chapter 7, permutation and combination. So if you have any doubt, you can stop me and ask, right? Okay. Suppose consider I given a number 1. Okay, number 1. How many ways you can arrange this number? Number 1, how many ways you can able to arrange?
Only one way.
Only one way. So I want everyone to know, like at least some few people can speak here. Whether you are right or wrong doesn't matter. Just have a try. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது சொல்லுங்க. Okay. Suppose consider there are 2 numbers. The numbers are 1 and 2. Now you are supposed to arrange it. How many ways you can arrange? I'm asking you to arrange. 1 is the first number, 2 second number. Yeah.
2.
So you can arrange like this, right?
1,
1, 2 and
1.
what is the number of ways? The first case 1, case 2. I'm giving 3 numbers. I'm giving 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. How many number of ways you can able to arrange?
6.
So just now we have come up with this example, right? You can take this example also. 1, 2, 3. Am I right?
Yes.
3 numbers, so 6 ways. Right? I'm not going to list down. It's 6 ways. Suppose consider I given 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers I given. How many number of ways you can able to arrange?
8.
Just think over it. Think over it. Using it.
12.
Just think over it.
So 12, sir.
Okay. Now see, I'm going to write all the orders. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, arrange it. Write the numbers.
So
Okay.
9 ways, sir.
Good try, but not the exact answer. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a first order, right?
Yes, sir. So
Then,
again, we can start with 1.
okay, again start with 1. We'll start with 1 and we'll
3.
change the last 2 digit alone. Okay. We'll
2, 4, 3.
2, 4, 3. Okay. Then
So 1, 3, 2, 4.
okay, 1, 3, 2, 4. Then 1, 3, 4, 2. First one 2 constant வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்க. First one 2 constant வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்க. First 1 3 constant வச்சுக்கிங்க. Then have 4 constant. 1, 4. 1, 4 I have taken. What is the remaining element?
3, 2. 3, 2. 2, 3. 2, 3.
2, 3.
Is there any other way of writing this number? With 1, 2, 3. Of course, we have with starting with 1.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your screen is sometimes becoming blur, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll start with 2. We have started with 1 here, right? We have started with 1 here. Let us start with 2.
2, 1, 3, 4.
2. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4.
2, 1, 4, 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 2, 2.
2, 4, 3, 1.
2, 3, 4, 1.
1, 4.
1, 4. 2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
1.
4.
So
2, 3,
2,
4.
yeah, 2
2,
is constant.
2, 4, 3, 1. 3, 1.
2, 4, 3, 1.
3, 1.
2, 4,
1,
1.
3.
So starting with 1, how many ways of arrangements are there?
6.
6.
Starting with 2, how many way of arrangements are there?
6.
6. 6.
So now tell me, just guess it. Starting with 3, how many arrangements will be there?
6.
Definitely
6.
number. Starting with 4, how many arrangements are possible?
6.
6.
Now tell me
6.
total number of arrangements for 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can able to arrange different.
24.
24.
24.
Sir.
Exactly.
24.
Right. So see, if you want to arrange only one number, there is one way. If you want to arrange 1 and 2, there are 2 ways. If you want to arrange 1, 2, and 3, there are 6 ways. And if you want to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, there are
24.
24. Any guess for this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
120.
4, 5. That was a fine answer. So clue is in that number itself. Able to see? 1, 2 into 1,
Sir, 32.
3 into 2 into 1, 4 into 3 into 2. Multiply all these numbers. Am I right? One into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. Right? 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 5s are 120. So now tell me, if I give 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm asking you to arrange in different ways, how many arrangements are possible?
720.
Exactly, 720. Right? So the 720 way of arrangements are there. That is called permutation. That is what we call it as permutation. And the numbers what we use for all the numbers, see, the last example also, see, every combination, see, all the combination have the same number, right? See, first one, what are the numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the second one? Same 1, 2, 3. Third,
Yes.
Same.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
Yeah, take numbers which is encircled. We have the same number 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are all the 24 of arrangement? The combination we have is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Numbers has been combined with using number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the permutation, number of permutation is 24. Number of permutation is 24. Number of way of arrangement is 24. But the number of combination is 1.
1.
This is what we call it as permutation and combination. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to learn what is meant by permutation and combination. Right. So for any doubts, even last year you would have learned tossing 2 coins. What are the possible outcomes are there? If you toss 2 coins, that is what possible. All the possible outcomes you're writing, right? When you toss 2 coins, what are the possible outcomes? 2 coins.
4, sir.
4 outcome.
Right?
Tail,
Tail,
head,
head,
tail, tail,
tail.
head, head.
Head.
So only you can able to arrange coin like this, right? If I give 2 coins, if I give you 2 coins, if I ask you to arrange, either you may arrange like head tail or tail head, tail tail or double head. Am I right? So number of way of arrangement of coin or number of permutation is 4. What about number of combinations here?
1, sir.
Only 1. So because all the combination of coins, it has head and tail. Am I right? All the combinations have head and tail. So number of combination is 1. Plus number of way of arrangement permutation is 4. So this is what we call it as permutation and combination. So do you have any doubts? So as I told here, no,
No, sir.
1 comma. So like if 2 numbers are there, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2 into 3, 6. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 24. Right. So for that, we will be using a concept called factorial. And this is the symbol used to denote factorial. Okay. This symbol. Factorial. Okay. So what is meant by factorial? I'll just give a simple example for factorial. So this factorial is not used in a first exercise. Okay. Factorial, this is the symbol used to represent factorial. For example, 2 factorial means you have to multiply from 2 till first natural number 1. 2 into 1, 2. 3 factorial means you have to start with 3 till 1 you have to multiply 3, then 2, then 1. That is 6. 4 factorial means you have to start with 4, then 3, then 2, then you have to end with 1. So whatever the numbers factorial given, you have to start with that particular number and you have to multiply till 1. That is what the concept of factorial is about. Okay, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is what we call it as 5 factorial. Value is 120. So simply saying what is n factorial? N into the previous number, n minus 1 into etc. to 1. This is called n factorial. So this factorial concept we'll be using in the second exercise. Okay. So we have 2 different principles in permutation and combination. One is the fundamental principle of multiplication. One is the fundamental principle of multiplication. Another one is fundamental principle of addition. So 2 different. Okay. So I'll give a simple example. So what I am going to mention in class work. Suppose consider there are 10 boys in a class. Suppose consider there is a class which consists of 10 boys and 8 girls. Okay, there is a function and teacher want to represent a function with a boy and a girl. So like my comparing or whatever it is to head the concept, whatever it is. Okay, suppose consider they are going to lead a function and they are going to do the MC. So 1 boy and 1 girl. So how many different combinations we can? So 10 boys are there totally. And I'm going to give like an explanation for fundamental principle of multiplication and fundamental principle of addition. Okay. answer this question, you'll be able to understand what is inverse multiplication. So for example, what we come across is actually the fundamental principle of multiplication. Okay. 10 boys are there. Okay. And 10 girls are there. Right. So if you want to name like it boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, etc. up to 10, boy 10. You take 8 girls are there. Girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, etc. up to 8 girls are there. So how many different combinations we can able to do so that we're going to have only one set of one pair. I'm asking total number of combination possible. So first combination may be boy 1 and girl 1. Second combination, boy 1, girl 2, boy 1, girl 3, boy 1, girl 4. So these are all the combination. Now tell me what is the total number of combination possible.
Eight, sir.
Sir, 8, sir.
How come 8? See, with boy 1 alone, there are no like 8 combinations are there. See, so boy 1
80,
can
sir.
be paired with girls 1. Boy 1 can be paired with 2. Boy 1 can be paired with the girl 3. Boy 1 with the girl 4. First boy and fifth girl, and boy 1, girl 6. Boy 1,
6.
girl 7, and okay. Only with first boy, how many combinations are possible? Only with one fellow. With one boy, there are 8 combinations are possible.
So 88, sir.
80, sir.
Yeah, correct. Tell me.
160.
How many combinations are possible? See, boy 1, 8 combinations. If you take boy 2, suppose same thing. Second boy,
8 combinations.
8 combinations. Another 8. Third boy, another 8 combination. Fourth boy, 8 combination. Fifth boy, 8 combination. Sixth boy, 7. And totally there are 10 boys are there. Each will have 8 combinations. So totally 10 into 8.
80.
80.
So 80 is the right answer. So 80 different combinations are there. Right? See, number of way of arrangement is 80. So this is multiplication. This is what we call it as fundamental principle of multiplication. Fundamental principle of multiplication. So I'm going to state what is fundamental theorem of fundamental principle of multiplication. It is nothing but suppose there are two things are there like boy and girl. Two different jobs are there. Okay. So first can be done in m ways. How many boys are there? 10 boys like that. First thing can be done in m ways. Second, girls. Number of girls here is 8, right? Right. Say for example, there are n girls. Okay. So how many different ways are totally there? Suppose m boys and n girls are there. How many different ways are there?
80, sir.
80.
Mn ways.
See, there are two different things. The first thing can be done in m ways. Okay, here example I given boys and girls. There are 10 boys and 8 girls. So total number of combination is 10 into 8, 80. The same way, generalized one, the first job can be done in m ways, and second one can be done in n ways. 10 boys, 8 girls.
18.
Girls like that. So what is the total number of ways possible? With m ways and n ways.
M into N.
Sir, 18.
Yeah. This is what we call it as fundamental principle of multiplication. If there are two jobs such that one of them can be completed in m ways and second job can be completed in n ways, then the total jobs is m into n ways. This is what we call it as fundamental theorem of fundamental principle of multiplication. Right? So I told you one more thing is the fundamental principle of addition. It's a straightforward one. Okay. It's a simple example. See, same example we can take. There are 10 boys. Okay. There are 10 boys and 8 girls. Same example. A teacher want to select either a boy or a girl. Either a boy or a girl to represent a class in a function. How many ways the teacher can make this selection? So here you have to think over this word. Either or. Okay. Either a boy or a girl.
18 ways. 18.
18 ways. Excellent. Very good. Good thinking. 18 ways are there. This is called fundamental principle of addition. See, either boy or girl. What is meaning of that? Either I need a boy or a girl. That's it. Or boy, அப்படி இல்லையா ஒரு girl. Right? If you take boys alone, there are 10 boys are there. So first boy நிக்க வைக்கலாம், இல்ல second boy, இல்ல third or fourth, fifth and 10. அப்படி இல்லையா first girl, second girl, third girl, fourth girl till 8th girl. Right? யாராவது ஒருத்தங்க தான். So there are totally 18 students. So 18ல யாராவது ஒருத்தங்க தான் நிக்க முடியும். So how many ways are there? Out of 18, only 18. So 10 plus 8. So இந்த R வரும்போது மட்டும், either or வரும்போது மட்டும், you have to use fundamental principle of addition. So most probably you won't use fundamental principle of addition. So for your knowledge, just I'm sharing. Okay, right. So do you have any doubts so far in the introduction portion? Please let me know.
No, sir.
No, sir.